What's up? Okay. Let's see how we can change this. I'm trying to. Okay. What's up, family? I fixed the camera. Now we can see the top of my head. The juice cleanse is 3 days. If you have not seen the first day, go check it out so you can know what in the world I'm talking about. Because I low-key, high-key don't want to go through the whole spiel again. But today's drink is going to have pineapples. It's going to have ginger and lemon, and then if you know, feeling fancy, I'm gonna drink it out of the pineapple. Okay, all right, so the juice cleanse came to mind because I was like, you know, might as well, why not? So we're about to make this drink. The last one made a decent amount, about 2 cups. So we're gonna see what this recipe gets us. Day 1 of the detox definitely was a challenge because whew, child. But I am pressing forward with it because I just really believe that it is going to be exactly what I need. And I'm looking forward to sharing the results with you guys. You're definitely going on this journey with me. Hello, you're in the passenger seat. And I'm excited to share just how impactful it's been. And hopefully the next one, I'll be doing it with some more folks. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be doing the day 3 of the detox. And maybe something else. Maybe it'll be more like a vlog. All right, so I'm going to get alkaline water and I'm going to add it to the pineapple. I have literally no idea how much that was. Okay, and then we have our juice. So this made not as much as the first one. So this made like 14 ounces. And we're gonna add it. This isn't great for the environment. If you have one, use a reusable straw. I'm not being endorsed for that. All right. I'm drinking out of my pineapple. Oh, so this one is gingery. I taste mostly ginger. It's like spicy and sweet. Not bad. Now, if you're not a fan of ginger, don't. Because this is not like one of those ginger shots where you can just be like, all right, knock this one back. It's like, no, it's just it'd be a chug. But if you are a fan of ginger, if you're feeling the girl, if you and ginger are like this, you gotta try it. And if you can, you gotta save your coconut. Save your pineapple so that you can be cool like me and drink out of one. All right, you guys, so this is day 3 of the juice cleanse. This is the orange drink, and we are going to be using 3 red apples, carrots, and oranges. The grocery store that I visited did not have the best produce to choose from, so I opted to use baby carrots instead of large carrots, and halos instead of the regular oranges. So it may make the drink a little bit sweeter, but I think that that'll be all right since it's still the same fruit and vegetable. There is different sizes. So we're going to add this to the drink and we're going to see how much it makes, and I'm going to let you guys know how it tastes and give you an update on how I feel so far with the cleanse. So altogether, the ingredients made about 33 ounces. It filled up my essential bottle. I added some alkaline water that I did for the last couple of drinks, and it tasted amazing. I pretty much polished it off in in like one sitting. It was so good. It was sweet and refreshing. I think out of all of the drinks, it was definitely my favorite one. All right, so this is the third and final day of the detox, and I am not gonna lie to you, it has really worked. I wasn't even expecting it. I'm gonna show you guys what my stomach looked like after a whole day. So usually, like after a full day, like by the end of the day, the stomach is probably bloated and you didn't have a bunch of food and all kinds of stuff, right? Yesterday, all the way until like almost 10 o'clock, there was no bloating. I wasn't like uncomfortable or, I mean, TMI, but I wasn't gassy, like none of that. Everything was like flush. And so that was after 2 days. So the first one was the detox, and the second one, I told you guys I gotta look up what the second one does, but I was impressed. And I don't know, you guys can let me know if you see a difference in my skin. But I was not expecting that. And I was like looking at myself yesterday and I was like, wait, what? I can still see some little ab imprints. And so I want to give the disclaimer that I am still, I haven't been eating fast food for the past few days and no fried foods. So there's also that part. And also, obviously, a lot of water and exercise. So that's been Monday and Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, so Monday and Tuesday. So it's not just like, all I'm doing is detoxing. But honestly, I don't know. Probably could still see some results even if you're not doing any of those things, even though I would suggest it, but I don't know. So today is gonna be the third day, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I'm feeling like. You'll see what I'm looking like, obviously, because it'll be on camera, and I'll have my final results, my final feedback for the whole juice cleanse, and maybe even the detox at some point. But it's only Wednesday. Still got 2 more days, so I will see you guys later.